Welcome to online training program of mttc International LLC. mttc International LLC is a ISO 9001 2015 freelance certified training center, and we are also registered under the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Scientific and Technical Education Development Council of India. We are an active member of Indian Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers and HVAC Employees Association also. The main specialty of mttc International LLC is a training center under licensed MEP contractor, and we have our operations in UAE, Oman, Qatar, and India. These are some of projects that we have participated. Lulu Shopping Mall and Star Hotel, Edapalli. This is India International Habitat Center, Kochi. It's a project under Airlines Gold Suit International Limited and Forum Mall, Cochin. This project is now also going on. At Scofield Resort, Kumali. It's Masakati System, Coimbatore. It's under a 5-star hotel, Oman. Muscat Grand Mall Expansion Project, Phase 3. And this I have recently worked on Lucerne Infrastructure Development. It's a project associated with the Qatar FIFA World Cup Football 2022. See that this is Lucerne Infrastructure Development Project, and this is the Lucerne main stadium, and the inauguration and final ceremony of Qatar FIFA World Cup Football 2022 will be here. These are some of candidates got placement from mttc International in India and abroad. As I said already, we are licensed MEP contractor, so it's not a big problem for us to arrange site training. We are arranging site training for MEP regular students and online course completing students also. Online course completing students will have to inform us formally about the time convenient for them. Then we will arrange site training, and normally we are giving site training on largest MEP projects because we are mainly focused for Gulf jobs. So training in HVAC starts with the basic components like working of different types of compressors, reciprocating compressor, rotary compressor, scroll compressors, screw compressor, then different types of heat exchangers, plate heat exchanger, shell and tube heat exchangers, tube in tube type heat exchangers. Then we are doing heat load calculation. Before doing HVAC design work, we have to identify the heat load. So for that, we are using hourly analysis program, HAP program, developed by Career Air Conditioning. Then different types of air conditioning units, split units, cassette AC, Windows AC, detectable split units, VRV units, data expansion system, zero plant with their mttc International LLC's HVAC training program contains a video demonstration of every HVAC equipments. Here we can see the working of a cassette AC. This is a round flow type cassette AC, and this is the supply weights, and through this area, through this central area, return air taken. These are the inner components of a cassette AC. This is the fan working inside cassette AC. This is the evaporator coil. Through this evaporator coil, cool refrigerant will flow, and when fan working, it will suck hot air, and when and throw to the evaporator coil. When air passes through this cool coil, air become cool, and due to the surface temperature of the coil is less than air dew point temperature, the water on the air will condenses at the surface of the coil. This have to be removed, so we have to use a drain system. We can see the direction of airflow. Forward throw type cassette AC, there will not be airflow through these corners, so it's called dead spot. By using ground flow type cassette AC, we will get airflow through all around area. This is the direction of airflow. This is the drain pump used in cassette AC. Due to surface temperature of evaporator coil less than air dew point temperature, when air passes through the surface of the coil, the water on the air will condenses at the surface, and this then culture to drain tracks. This is the drain mechanism. When rainwater reaches up to this level, drain pump become active and is taken to the main drain system. Up to 850 meter height, we can taken through this water by the pressure of drain pump. This is detectable split unit installation at infrastructure development site. This is the AC units for electrical substation, and we can see the vacuum pressurization system for outdoor unit installation. and these are the basic working single diagram for Windows AC package type units. This is the video demonstration for package units. We can see outdoor unit here. Scroll compressors we are using here. So refrigerator from the evaporator coil taken to the compressor initially. When scroll works, the refrigerant gets pressed inside it, so its pressure and temperature becomes high. Then it's given to condenser coil. When fan inside the condenser coil works, it will take air, and air when passed through the condenser coil, the air will take out the temperature of coil. So the refrigerant becomes cool. Then it's given to the expansion valve and then to the indoor unit. The return air taken from the room syndicate, which is red color, and is given to the evaporator coil. Then it becomes cool. The cool air is given by the cyan color, and it is given to the conditioned space.
The working of DS system, chiller plant unit and other HVAC equipment, HVAC design, HVAC softwares will be added on our next video program. Our next video will come soon. So subscribe our channel.